Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And as I've said in the past few videos, if you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of June, which is a little bit of a stretch, but if you guys can do it, then I will get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So if you want to be part of that challenge, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now. Now, we have a lot to do today, but first things first, Chick-fil-A.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. My name's Patricia. Can I just get a name for the order?
Brad. The bag is, of course, always secured. I have an addiction to Chick-fil-A and Chipotle, as you guys may know here on the channel, because that's pretty much all I eat when I'm recording videos and I'm out and about and whatever. And of course, gotta get your Chick-fil-A sauce. If you don't like Chick-fil-A sauce, then why are you even watching this video? Because what's wrong with you? I don't understand how you don't like it. Grilled nuggets, just, you know, basic today. But yeah, like I said, we got some other stuff to do. My mission, find one of those Trackhawk Hot Wheels that I mentioned in the other video, buy like 6 of them, give a bunch away to you guys, and get myself one.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Alright, so it's super sunny out here, but you guys have been asking a lot of questions about the Idrive throttle controller and stuff, so I've had it on there for about a week now. I think it was about a week or so that I've had it on the Jeep, and I've been driving it around a lot. I've put actually quite a few miles on my car just driving it around, you know, having fun. Like I said, I've been driving with it on Ultimate 2 mode. I noticed there was a lot of different questions in the comments section of the other video, so I figured I would just go ahead and answer some of those in this video and then do some speed tests because you guys have been asking for it. So this is the moment you've been waiting for as far as the 0 to 60 speed test. Does it help improve how fast you're gonna get off the line, 0 to 30, 0 to 60, that kind of stuff. We're gonna see if it's gonna improve. Car's exactly the same as it was in the previous video, so we're gonna see if it actually helps or if it's all just a scam. Scam's not the right word because it clearly increases the throttle response, which is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, but I think the word that I'm looking for is more like a not really helping the performance, kind of, I guess, in an aspect. It might not help the performance or the speed tests, I guess, because overall it can't really help you go 0 to 60 because once it starts shifting, there's only so much you can do on the pressure of the pedal. But anyway, I got some questions. I'm going to answer those now, and then we will do the 0 to 30 and the 0 to 60. So I noticed that several people were asking me in the comments, and they were saying things like, is it going to mess with the transmission? Is this bad for your car? Is this bad for your transmission? Stuff like that. Now, I'm going to say no because it's basically the same as having it in sport mode. I haven't had any problems with it. It feels smooth, it feels good. It's just a little jumpy sometimes depending on which mode you have it in. Like I said, I keep it in the Ultimate 2 setting because I don't want it too high and I don't want it too low, but it gives it a little bit more responsiveness and it's a little bit quicker and a little bit more fun, like when I need to get through traffic or something like that. So like I said, I've had it on Ultimate 2 mode pretty much consistently as I've been driving it, and it's been pretty smooth and pretty good. I will say that at times, if I'm at like a parking lot or low RPMs or something like that, it does get that little kind of jumpiness that you get with the sport mode. If you're at like a really low RPM or a really low, or at a really low speed, you might get that little bit of like jumpiness where it kind of like feels a little weird. But that could just be my car in general or my Jeep, because some of you guys are gonna get mad. I'm gonna keep saying car just to make you mad. You know what? But yeah, so overall, I think it's going to be fine. I don't think it's going to affect your car at all, your transmission or anything like that any differently, because basically you're not tapping into anything different in the transmission. Your transmission's staying in the same mode as it normally is. It's not even going to sport mode unless you click the sport mode button. It's only affecting the throttle response on your actual accelerator pedal. So yeah, it shouldn't really bother it. Another thing I noticed was a lot of people asking if it works on specific models. Now, to answer your question, it should. You're gonna have to check on their website. It'll be linked down below as usual. And you guys can check on their website and see if it's gonna work on your model. I believe it just has to do with the years, so like the WK2 and stuff like that. As long as you're within that kind of area, then you should be good. I don't think the engine type matters or anything like that, because like I said, you're only affecting the computer, so I think it's just a year-based thing because you're affecting the computer as far as how the accelerator works when you're pressing the gas pedal down. I'm sure someone down below will know all the science and all the information behind it and how it works and everything. So if you do know that, then leave it down in the comment section for everyone to know. But like I said, it should work on most models. Check the link and you guys can see. But it should work on most models no matter what your engine is, because it's basically just changing that simple one thing that's the same across all of the different Jeeps. Now it's time to jump in, do what we've all been waiting for: 0 to 30, 0 to 60, sport mode on, sport mode off. I want you guys to leave a comment down below right now what you think, if it's gonna go faster or not with the 0 to 60. Right now, I'm gonna pause the video and I want you guys to go comment that, and then we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. good. So I hope you guys commented it. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see 0 to 60, 0 to 30. And without further ado, let's just do it. First thing is first, we're gonna go over here and set this to Ultimate 9 because right now it was on Ultimate 2. So we're set all the way to the max. I guess I could test it as well in this video on like eco mode and stuff like that and see what we get. But we're gonna go right for the Ultimate 9 setting. We're gonna do sport mode off first, 0 to 30. So let's go ahead and get the taser set up here. Got it on 0 to 30 mode. Sport mode is off, and we're just gonna go ahead and floor it. I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. We're kind of risking it today, but I think it'll be fine. No GoPro today, just this. So let's go ahead and see what we get for the 0 to 30. I'm gonna actually spin around and do that again because I wasn't completely floored. So yeah, I want to make sure that I'm doing it completely floored to actually get an accurate result. So yeah, I didn't completely floor it there, so that's my bad. Let's just go ahead and cut to the next take. Yeah, spinning around here. We're probably gonna fly past this truck over here, but I think it'll be fine. So this is like a fairly flat ground. We're gonna go to complete stop here. Wait for our little thing to reset here. It says start 30. So we're just gonna go ahead and floor it this time because last time I kind of messed up and didn't. So it's 2.095 seconds without sport mode on to 30. Let's go ahead and spin around. All right, so now we have sport mode on down here and we got it set to start 30. So there was 2.095 for that. So let's see. So that one was only 2.09. So it's not that much more. So I think where we're gonna see the gains is kind of in the 0 to 60.
Stop the cap.
I hope, because the 0 to 30 was pretty much identical, 2.095 seconds and 2.091 with sport mode, so it didn't really go any faster as far as that goes, which is a little bit surprising to me because I figured off the line it would have ripped right away and went a little bit faster than it did. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and set it to 60 now, see what we're gonna get. But yeah, I was a little bit surprised about that, but then again, sport mode only really gives you the power at the higher RPMs as you're going, so you know, it kind of is expected. All right, same spot, same setup, sport off and 0 to 60 this time instead of the 0 to 30, and we're just gonna go ahead and floor it. .057 seconds. Hopefully you can see there, 7.05 seconds, which again is basically the same 0 to 60 time that we had before we put that in. So it doesn't really increase your 0 to 60, I guess, as we're testing it here. We'll do one more 0 to 60 here with the sport mode on, see what we get, and then I guess we'll just call it a day from there. And I guess the results will kind of speak for themselves. Sport mode on, 0 to 60 set. Let's floor it. So we essentially got the same time with this thing at Ultimate 9 that we got without sport mode and without having the actual Idrive thing on there. But like I said, if you guys are going for performance and going for faster 0 to 60 times, then obviously this might not be the product that you're looking for that. But overall, I still recommend it because it has increased like the throttle response and the car does feel better. And it's a little bit more fun to drive and a little bit more responsive when I'm getting on it when I need to, or you never know, like some people might be merging onto a highway or something and you need to whip past them, or someone tries to like cut you off and you gotta floor it and get around them or whatever. You never know where the situations are, but in those type of situations it does help, and I like it for that reason. And just overall the responsiveness of it when just normally daily driving it feels a lot better. Like I said, if you're going for the 0 to 60 performance, now you kind of know that it's not too much faster with the 0 to 60, if at all faster. I'll have to compare the numbers, but obviously different conditions and whatever can account for different things, but for the most part it was a pretty accurate test because we're in the same location and everything. So let's go ahead and head up here and run the outro. All right, so there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments section down below what you guys think. Do you think it made it faster? In your opinion, if you have one, do you think it made yours faster? Do you have a better 0 to 60 time with it? Am I doing something wrong here? Because if I am, let me know down in the comment section below, and maybe I can do another one where maybe I did something wrong and it's not actually working or set to ultimate 9 or so. I don't know. So let me know down below and I'll be able to figure that out. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the like button down below right now. Help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. On that same note, make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed already. Be notified when new videos go live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And like I said, I will be getting the Jeep logo tattooed if you guys can push me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of June, which that's a hard challenge for you guys because my average subscribers is around 1,200 a month, and I think I need about 1,700 right now, and today's like the first. So if you guys can do that and pull it off, awesome. I'll get the Jeep logo tattooed. It'll be a funny video, and I'm sure you guys would enjoy it. But if not, then I don't gotta get the Jeep logo. Other than that, make sure you check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.